Hi guys, I would like to welcome all of you to the world of programming using Visual C Sharp. This is pretty much my first video I've created in order to teach programming. So yeah, I'll be very happy if you guys can send me in a comment on how to improve my teaching skills, or if you guys don't understand anything and think that I should be improving somewhere, that is more than welcome. Yeah, the main tools I'm using in order to write my program using Visual C Sharp is normally the Microsoft IDE. You can use a Visual Studio like I'm doing here, or Visual C Sharp Express to write your code. Without any further ado, I'm just gonna jump in and write some code here. What I'm intend to do by the end of this tutorial is to create a simple program that will display user-friendly message in order to welcome you to the world of programming using C Sharp. So, and it's Microsoft has created so many classes. Don't worry about the word classes because we'll be discussing in detail about classes later. But Microsoft has created so many classes that allow you to do things without even worry. You don't have to worry about how the whole thing is implemented. So one of those classes is the console classes allow you to deal with the console in the command prompt. So the console has a method called write line will write a line basically and go to the next line. And then if I use this method and now just write it, and then normally you have to type a string here, so which is will be like hello world, welcome to C Sharp programming. Yeah, I could stop the program here, but when I will run it, you will notice that the console will display the message and straight away will disappear. So I want to actually you guys to see what the console display. So I'm going to stop the screen from disappearing straight away. So I'm using another method of the console class. Console class of another method called rate. Rate will stop the prompt from disappearing. So you can see here I'm using a different method here, right? So let me tell you something. You notice here using system. What is system? What are those things basically? Those things are namespaces. What is namespace? Namespace is just a logical organization of classes, the hierarchical organization of classes. So as you can see, the console belong to the system namespace. Let me show you. If you right click on console, go to definition, notice that console is a public static class, and within console there's so many other methods. As I told you, we use the write line in order to write on the screen. um, Let me show you. Look at the write line, and the write line can be overloaded in so many different ways. So overload is basically meaning using a form, a method, but with different signature, the same method with different signature. Like here I can pass an object, I can pass a long, I can pass an integer, I can pass a float, and what we use was to pass a string. So this is what we use. This one just pass a string and we display. And you can see there's so many methods within the console. And check it out here. The namespace is system. So the console is a class within the system namespace. This is what one we got to understand. So it's just a logical organization. Within the namespace system, we could have the console class, and then later after the console class, we could have another class here, and those classes will all belong to the namespace called system. So we'll talk more about this thing later on when I'll be writing code. But I just wanted you guys to understand what all those things mean. You know, what is this one coming from? What is system coming from? So, but we'll have the chance to talk more in details about these things later. Oh yeah, let's run the application now. Control F5. Look, you got your first program using C Sharp. You got a friendly message, "Hello world" on the screen. Welcome to C Sharp programming. Okay, I hope this was very informative, guys. I hope I wasn't too fast. This is my first video, as I said before. If you guys have any feedback or any comment, I'm more than happy. You're very welcome to send them to me. And then don't worry about the message. Just send me anything you think will help me to improve the video or make it better in order to suit you guys. Okay, I would really want to say thank you for watching, and then I hope that was very informative. Take care, guys. Bye.